Made in Japan. And our fridge just kicked in, so that sound, it's our fridge. That's on the side. I finally bought this guy here. It doesn't work digitally with my camcorder AX700. It works analog only mode, not digital mode. But I had to buy it because it's really, really good stuff, and it's good for, it works with other cameras digitally. And even I saw some videos when it works digitally and has some interference while you put the USB-C on the A7S3 Sony camcorders. When you put a charging cable, it has some interference, and the guy had to move it analog anyway. So what's inside? This is a nice package, Sony of course. As you can see, this is very, very, very nice. It's pricey, but it's very nice. Look at that. When I bought it, I didn't have opportunity to peel this thing here, and I made a guy who works here in Vistec, Calgary, to open another box for me, and then we checked, and there was another not protective film. And then I said, well, it's not this thing is open, because anybody can open it, but it's just the way how they did it. I think they wanted to kind of save on some kind of thing. See, it has to be on analog, not digital, and otherwise it's not compatible, and it should work. These manuals you can read. See here, it says here made in China. If you can go that, made in China, and that's okay, that's made in China. But what's important here, that's every high quality, good, expensive product is made in Japan. Like the batteries and stuff, is it yellow? And this thing, I have never used this in my life before. I heard about famous XLR professional inputs microphone. So you plug it in and you unplug it by using this because it's automatically locked. You have input. So I don't know much. I learned about it, tried to use it and did, but I'm still learning how to operate. But let's put it together basically. Come on. I'm gonna put it down so it doesn't stick. This condom is very nice too. See? Good for picking your nose. And other stuff. I'm not gonna show you that now. Anyway, this is hair everywhere. This is XLR Professional Adapter, and this is microphone also made in Japan. See? Autofocus works good. Yeah, that's why it's so pricey, and it's very short because it's made. But this is XLR input, and that's what makes this product very, very good. So I'm gonna try to do the operation of putting it together. Okay, let's maybe record first this thing. So around everything like this. It comes with a rubber, like any protector, silicone rubber for your best protection. Okay, and now we go into this thing. Now you're gonna do. My wife is smiling. I don't know why. Oh yeah, feels so nice actually, because it's something. Yeah, you can. Yeah, do it one more time. Oh yeah, yeah. Feels much nicer now. No, really. It's like a small cat. No wonder. You know how they call it? Dad cat. Because it looks like a dad. See, obviously it's not used much. And then you click here, open this guy here, and you have a 4. 2 here, 2 here, and nipples. Oh, they're good nipples, and they're soft. And inside, that's nothing. It's bubbly, right? And then you put this guy here. Oh, you know what? I think I overdid. Or actually, no. No, there is no switch here, so I can put it this way. You put it like this. It is good. And then you put. I think you put this thing around. like this notch up, and then when you close it, it's there, it's ready. It has here protection. You remove that protection. Come on, which way? This way. Oh, is it locked? Yeah, it's locked. So you move it here, and then you have all the things necessary to connect it. Then you're gonna open this extension cable. This extension cable is very good because it gives you option to put it away from the camera body, so it's not gonna pick up has also sound if you scratch or something happen. And this is like cold, it looks like it's metal, and this is metal for sure. So these are pins here and these are pins here, and I'm gonna put them to the original camera. Actually, probably it's gonna work in this one here too. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work here. Let's try it out, why not? So you unlock it or lock it. You unlock it first. Yeah, open, it's unlocked. And then you can lock it. It's locked. You open. Right? And then you put this one here. You put this one here. Like this. But make sure it's open. It is. And then you have an extension. And then you lock it all the way, and you lock it, and then you put this one into the, I don't know, input one, I guess. See, you press it here and then you remove it. If you don't press, that's made for professional. If somebody trips on the cables, and then there is no sound. That's why they made this lock, which is very, very good. Now let me check the mic. Let me see this first. Camcorder. Let me check first myself. Okay. Lux, camera input. Camera microphone. Camera microphone, and that's camera here. Microphone is here. Why it doesn't work? It's on analog. Why it's not recognized by the camera? Microphone. Is it working? It doesn't work. I don't see it's working. You know what? Forget about this camera. I bought it for this camera actually. You know what? Unlock it. Press it here. It's so tight. You don't want to make it tight. And you don't want to break your contact either. It's kind of funny. Oh, I see what's going on. Here, it hits on the... Oh, I see. It hits on this stupid thing here. It hits here. Anyway, you're gonna be using this small camera as a big camera with the sound, while I'm putting this bad guy first directly on the body, and then yeah, it goes this way. You have to be very gentle and protective about these guys, because if you damage them, the whole thing is gonna be useless. So we're gonna make a cut, and we're gonna put this bad guy directly on the AX700. Okay, welcome back. AX700, much more space, and this is the connection. They said in the manual, right? When you do this thing here, So make sure that no mic is in M48 phantom position. I guess it makes some sound or something not good, so we're gonna hook it up like this. Just gonna hold it like this. First, before I put it, I wanna weight. I wanna weigh down to see how much with XLR, the adapter with that specific microphone is. 305. So with the protective windsock, 305, and the cable itself, if you want to put it, it's 76 gram. So 305. You're gonna shut that down, and then we're gonna put it together. So like this. You can go on the top if you want, from that side, yeah, like this, and just squeeze it all the way down front and make it tight all the way. When it stops, then it's tight. And see, if I press status check, it's not gonna see. See, I put automatically. No, it is checked. Because I put automatically, it's recognized. But you need to put it here. You need to put mics down, and now it works. So if you go to manual, press here manual, AX700, and use this guy to go res level, there is nothing. You cannot do anything. So now it's just bypassed. It's bypassed by this guy here, and everything what you do, it's right here. So you can go with the gain input. I think it works very good if it's like on a 5. And look, if I put it to digital, because it's a digital at the end, I immediately get this message. This accessory is not supported by the device and cannot be. See, and cannot be used. Please verify the compatibility with the device. But if you switch to analog here, it works no problem. No problem at all. And as you can see, you can change, like, you can go like, so channel 1, you can go 0 decibel, and you immediately can see it works very good, too much. So if you go like 10 decibel, it works less. And if you go 20 decibel, so if you want to record like really close somebody, and or if guy likes to yell or scream, then you go to 20 plus decibel, and it should work fine. I notice when you go lower than this, even if you put it together, it seems like now it's okay. But if you go like, it seems now it works good because it's automatic, I think. Yeah, I put this on automatic. No. Oh, what is? Oh, this is automatic. So if you put manual here, right? Then this one kind of, channel 2 is kind of showing more, even if it's to put the same, right? But if you put from 3 to 5, then it works good, even if it's manual. But if you go like with a less, it works just fine. So now we're gonna do, because when you do this, you can feel the scratches. Like, it's hard to explain. I'm gonna try to do this. Something else. I'm gonna grab a good pair of these guys. These are really good headphones. And if you put the headphones here, put your headphones here, you might hear, if you go volume, Volume goes up. Just a second. Volume is on this side, right? Volume. If you go volume maximum, you might hear that. But no. You can you hear it now? Can you hear it now? A little bit? No? Anyway, it's very, very loud. It's very, oh yeah. And then you can monitor your sound anyway. Let's go back to this thing. So if you put auto, it's excessively strong, especially if you put it like a 0 decibel. Then it's almost on the level of disturbance or microphonia or whatever, feedback. That's why I think 10 is good, 5 is good, auto or manual, and you can choose a cutoff, right? Input 1, so off 100 or 300 hertz. So that's the thing. You can always, what they say when you want to remove it, so basically you want to do this, you want to move it here from away from 48, and then unscrew this thing here and then remove it, right? When you remove it, it's fairly easy. Then if you want to use this extension, right, you use this extension, you put it here and you lock it all the way, and then you put this guy here. What this is gonna give you, first you have to open it, right? You have to, that's unlock. You make it nice and snug, like this, and that gives you some extra freedom, right? You need to put it back, so you need to put this back. I think you just need to put one back. This one is channel 2, doesn't, yeah, it should work. Yeah, it works now. So this one doesn't really, because it's not connected. See, input 2, because we put it on input. Now you hook it up to 48 phantom volt. So, and then what you have a freedom, but of course it comes to the caveat. You need to have this thing here, which is extra weight, which is not so bad. Also made original from Sony. It's called the extension VCT55LH, and it's made in Japan, of course. This thing here too. You hook it up underneath here, right? And then you lock it, and it's tight. And what do? You put it here. But see, I cannot put it now here. Why? Because I have this lock. But I can put it on the on the head. Actually, yes, I can do it, but not now. What I can do is put this around here, see? So guide it, put it here. Doesn't have to hit like that, but I just overdid it. Lock it here, lock it in place, and then instead of this, right, put it here. Eventually come on the other side. You see this here? That's the 3/8 here. So I can make a connection to here, and then the whole thing is gonna be like this. And of course, remember, this is like 2.2 kilograms. The one camcorder is 1.1. This is 300 plus this. It's less 5 kilos. And when you have that set up, 5 kilos here, I think it's and plus. Thank you. And plus, oh, it's very. And when you do this, of course, it's gonna be stable because you're not gonna be running. You're gonna be micro jittering with the whole this setup. But it just gives you the options, right? gives you the options what to do. I'm gonna unlock this, hopefully without breakage. Press here, remove this, put it here. See, the funny thing about this, you can put it in this bag and fits nicely. Look, and it's good protected. So, okay, get rid of this, and now we're gonna unscrew this. Just a second, I wanna show how it looks. Looks really good, but it needs some modification. I'm gonna use the original tool, which came with my Manfrotto stand or tripod. Very good looking guy. But right now I'm just gonna, for the sake of showing it how it works nicely, I'm gonna hook it up original. Just gonna close my, so I'm not gonna, don't break my stuff. I'm just gonna do it quickly like this. See, that goes here and locks. There you go. You lock it here. Tight, 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 tight. And that's not too bad, right? Of course, this is facing different direction. So untie it. And just put it the way you want to put it, which is this. Lock it again. Put this one down. And there you go. Look at this. This is not too bad. No, honestly. You put this, there is a cable management system even here. Look, you press it here and you take this one. And you press that one here. See, underneath. See? They meant about everything. And this is like how much? Good question. I knew you're gonna want me to measure it or weigh it again. Good job, Ivan. Good job. 0. Look, if you put the whole system here without tripod with a head, it's a 1596. 1596, right? And that's a 1.45 kilos. But look, it gives you options to go like this, gives you the options to work like this, open your this thing, check here, even use it as a as a log camcorder, but it works. See? And it's very loud because it's on 0. But if you put it, it's on 20 decibel, it's a little bit better. It's auto, it's on a manual actually, and it works fine. And with this setup, your jittery motion still will be like, just a second, yeah, still be much better. Of course, not like with this guy here, but it's gonna be much smoother, and you're gonna have professional sounding sound. There you go. That's it. I think it looks nice.
Are you sure that's it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. And look at this invention. Oh my.
Maybe you can hook up something else.
Yeah, we can hook up something else. Let me find something else. Put something else here. Hook it up here. Put this guy here down. And put this guy around here. And there you go. Wow, it's so nice when you hear everything going around, right? And then you can check everything. You have your camera, you have your audio level input, you check, you hear, you see, you have zoom buttons, you have fully control, and everything is working flawlessly like it should be. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Just a second. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Very nice. That one was for a thumbnail. Okay, Have a nice day. Bye bye. And have a good life. See ya next time. Thanks for watching.